A boy named Leo lived in a small village nestled among rolling hills. Leo lived in a tiny house with his grandmother. They were inferior. Every morning, Leo would wake up to the sound of birds chirping and the sun's warm rays peeking through the window. One day, while walking through the village, Leo noticed that many people seemed gloomy. He wondered why. Perhaps, he thought, they don't have enough sunshine in their lives. Leo had a brilliant idea. He would sell sunshine. He gathered some of the brightest wildflowers he could find and filled a small basket with them. He then went from house to house, offering to sell a bit of sunshine to each family. Sunshine makes you happy, he'd say, smiling brightly. At first, people laughed. Sunshine is free, they'd say. But Leo persisted. He explained that his sunshine was special. It came with a smile and a kind word. He'd tell them stories about the sun, about how it helped plants grow and brought warmth to the earth. Slowly, people started to listen. They began to appreciate Leo's cheerful spirit and the joy he brought to their homes. They started buying his sunshine. A few coins here, a piece of bread there. Word of Leo's sunshine spread throughout the village. Soon, people from other villages started coming to buy it. Leo's grandmother helped him gather more wildflowers and make small, colorful bags to hold them. Leo didn't just sell sunshine, he spread kindness and happiness wherever he went. He visited the sick, read stories to children, and helped the elderly with their chores. He realized that true happiness wasn't about money, but about making others happy. As Leo grew older, his sunshine business grew too. He used his profits to help the village build a school, a community garden, and a small clinic. He became known throughout the region as the boy who sold sunshine. Leo never forgot the importance of sharing and kindness.